O to pick a lock using a paperclip. Making your tool. Collect your material. Most of why you need to pick a lock with a paperclip is easily accessible. You really only need ready for thing. The paperclip, on to act a lock pick, on to act a tension wrench, on a pair of pliés to shape the paperclip. Two big paperclip, on to act a tension wrench, on to act a pick. Three no pieces limi, but you want to make sure that vitino slim on nug it will fi un tot lock on atletital en nug so you can insert it un tot lock will still holding on to en nuglant to turn them. Grab a pair of pliés to shape the two paperclip. Easy to use plié en your. Une fold first paperclip un tot lock pick. In order to doti, une fold large edge of your paperclip twist until a straight portion jut out. You will be inserting at straight par un tot lock to use a pick. 1. Some locksmith also platini varban un tot type of the pick. Ti to de prest pin ainsi de te lock, buino strictly necessary. Make your tension wrench. Take out bot int jumbo paperclip until te paperclip it was straight vir with a curvate en. Prest curved and on with a wrench. Make 90 degrés int curved en ta bout 1 cm, 0.4 in, long. Alternately, you could fold on edge of your paperclip until a straight portion stick out à 90 degrés angle. Tia basic tension wrench tie or cable buno idéal. Picking your lock. Insert tension wrench into bottom of keyhole. The bottom of the keyhole equal to shear line. You want to apply pressure with the tension wrencher, in a rotational manner, which with lock turn, 2. It can take some practice to get the right amount of pressure. To arrange you'll twist your paperclip out of shape. To likely on you on pu en nug pressure on it to pick the lock. Turn the wrench in the direction that lock turn. Tick en babitar to do if you know sur which way to turn, but important to turn the wrench in the right way. The rare couple way to test the lock on so which way to you'll turn. 3. If you know which way to lock turn in order to open, turn the tension wrench in ta direction. If you don't know what direction to lock open, guess to one side, on the first shot, you'll have a 50-50 chance of opening the lock. If you have a sensitive touch, you can also fail which way to lock open by turning with the tension wrench. Turn clockwise first, then counter-clockwise. You'll feel slightly less pressure when the wrench turn the right direction. Insert pick into a paper of keyhole en rack. Racking when you insert your pick to the back of the keyhole and remove it quickly while jiggling the pick bar. Doti a couple team to potentially set a fait pain. Qui pressure en tension wrench à your 20. If you don't lock picking or on work properly. Quickly 2 et 1 man yanking it out, but you want to move quickly en out that motion is smooth. Against isometing that you have to get a fell for which you will up le arable to pick a lock on ser first tree. Lock at te pain ainsi de te lock. Keeping pressure on te tension wrench. Try to lock at te pain ainsi de te keyhole using your pick. Most American lock will have a list 5 pin you'll need to set in order to open the lock. You'll feel the pin against your lock pick when you insert it. T will tell you or you need to de press them. De press the pin. Be surtout apply rotational pressure to your tension wrench you de press the pin. You should feel a slight jive when you set the pin to ser une locked position, or even a slight clicking sound. Experienced lock picker can dot know a looks like on swift motion, but inexperienced picker will need to use more deliberate motion to set a pin. Eagle pick until a pin une lock. Applying more and more pressure with the tension wrench, jiggle the pick until a pin une lock. When you hear a snap or click, be sure to rotate the tension wrench to une locked lock.